Hello everyone and welcome to CED 250 Career Development. This course is offered by the School of Letters and Sciences. In this PowerPoint, you will find basic information that will help us get started with the course. I highly suggest that you go through the entire PowerPoint before completing any assignment or any work towards this course. My name is Cadenas and I am your instructor for this version of CED 250. I have taught this course a couple of times in the past and I've always enjoyed it. I've also taught a couple of other career-related courses at ASU and at the community college level. My research interests are related to career development. I conduct research on the connection between social justice and academic outcomes, particularly persistence in college students. Like you, I was an undergraduate student at ASU. I am a Sun Devil. I double majored in business administration and psychology. I want to let you know that I am available for any questions that you may have regarding the course. I am a resource that you could always use. I'm always at your disposal so that you can succeed in this course and you can succeed here at ASU. You can reach me via email at gcadenas@asu.edu. And if you need additional assistance, we can meet in person. My office hours are by appointment only, and my office is located at the Center for Family Studies at ASU Tempe. We can also have a phone consultation if you ever need it. So please contact me via email about setting up any appointments. Since this is an online course, all of your participation for the course will be based on weekly online discussion forums, weekly discussion boards. This is worth 15% of your grade, so this is a very important component of the course. I highly encourage you to collaborate and interact with your peers and with me through our discussion boards. You will be completing these discussion boards every week. It is important to create a safe and supportive space for sharing the knowledge and understanding that we will be developing throughout the course. This is a class that will help you explore yourself and understand yourself better in order for you to realize what it is that drives you and what it is that you want in a career and how to develop yourself and how to advance through a particular professional field. In order to know more about the discussion boards, simply go to the discussion board tab on Blackboard and you will see the different questions that you will be answering every week. You will not only be posting answers to those specific questions, but you will also be responding to a post from another student, from a peer in the class. As you do this, I want you to think to yourself and consider what helps you feel safe to share with your peers. I also want you to consider what prevents you, what makes you shy away from feeling comfortable in sharing. Please know that disrespectful or highly critical behavior will not be tolerated. So please be as professional as possible. In communicating with others through the discussion board, I want you to pretend that you are communicating in a professional setting, that you are communicating at a job. and this will help us ensure that we are communicating in the most respectful manner possible. The syllabus for the course is a contract between you and I. It clearly highlights not only the expectations that I have for you as a student, but it also clearly outlines what you can expect from me as an instructor. It tells you exactly how you will be graded. It tells you when all assignments are due, the rubrics that I will be using in order to grade those assignments, and it gives you details about the policies and expectations for the class. I want you to please contact me as soon as possible if you have any questions about the syllabus. Please do not wait to read the syllabus. Please read it during the first couple of days of the class. There will be a syllabus quiz during the first week of the course. CET 250 meets an L1 literacy and critical inquiry general education requirements. There will be a great amount of writing and critical analysis and integration involved in completing this course. There are 5 major papers. There's a self-reflection, career theory paper, a career exploration paper, a diversity, and a final reflection paper. These 5 major papers make up 50% of the grade. There are also 3 major course projects. This is the informational interview project. There's also a small paper attached to that project. The job market branding project, and the mock interview project. These 3 projects make up 30% of your grade. As I mentioned before, participation in discussion boards and responses to your peers make up 15% of your grade. Finally, quizzes, which you will be taking throughout the course, are worth 5% of your grade. Extra credit will be available throughout the course. I will post announcements about different ways for you to earn up to 5% of extra credit. Some examples of extra credit opportunities include attending a career fair and writing a reflection about your experience, completing a survey for a research project, or watching a video that is related to career development. I will make those available for you throughout the semester. All of the materials that you may need for this course, that you may need to succeed in this course, are found on Blackboard. There is no text required for this course, and most of the information in the materials that you will need, you can find in the Contents tab on Blackboard. If you click on that tab, you will find the course readings file. There you will find all of the readings, all of the articles that we will be covering in the course. You will also find the quiz folder, which will be based on those readings, and also the weekly materials that we will be covering throughout the semester. You will also find content that has been divided into specific weeks. So for example, in week 1, you will find the intro to the course and the self-exploration folder. In week 2, you can find the career theories folder, and so on. Attendance and participation are a very significant part of the course. I suggest that you log on to Blackboard regularly and post on the discussion forum. Each discussion board, each post, has a particular deadline associated with it. So please be aware, please um, be careful with posting by the specified deadline. Your responses to other peers are also associated with a particular deadline. Late assignments, particularly in discussion boards, cannot be made up. There's no way for you to make up a deadline, a discussion board that you missed the deadline for. So please ensure to post by the particular deadline. For major assignments, after 24 hours past the deadline, 25% will be deducted from the total points earned. So this is for major papers and major projects, not for discussion board assignments. If you submit the assignment after 24 and 72 hours after the deadline, then 50% of your grade will be deducted. And if you submit it beyond 72 hours, then no credit will be assigned to this assignment. So please be sure to know when the deadlines are. If you go to page 6 of your syllabus, you will see a course outline and timeline. It specifies what week, what date, what topic, what project, and what reading and Blackboard module is due at any particular time. This is literally like a map for you to follow throughout the semester. If you follow it, you will not be lost in the course. All of the information you need regarding the assignments can be found in the Assignments tab on Blackboard. If you click on that tab, you will find the description of each of the assignments and also the rubric that I will be using to grade you on those assignments. The overall requirements are for the assignment to be typed, to have a 12-point font, Times New Roman, 1-inch margins, and to be double-spaced. These are usually the requirements, the guidelines that you follow in academia or in most of the professional world. Also, be sure to save your assignments in Word documents. Please do not save it in any other software such as PDF, Reader, or Editor. I will be providing you feedback on each of your papers, each of your projects, and I will be inserting comments or making changes directly on the comment on the assignment using track changes. So it is very important that you save your assignment as a Word document. Assignments are to be turned in with both your name and assignment name. So you can see the example that is on the screen for how you can title your assignment. That way I can find it and grade it and return it to you with feedback. Once again, welcome to CD 250 Career Development. I am very glad that you're in this class. I am excited to be working with you and excited about this semester. This is a course that can be a lot of fun if you allow it to be. You will be doing a great deal of self-exploration, getting to know and understand yourself better. And you will also be learning a good amount of information about the world of work and about different tools, different techniques, and different resources that you can use in order to succeed at whatever field you're entering, at whatever it is that you're going to school for. So with no further ado, let's go ahead and get started.